Guys, apparently we've arrived. Our driver just dropped us off like right here and is like, you are here. And we're like, where's the hotel? So now we're trying to find the hotel. It's cold, it's loud, too many people in one space. So yeah, wish us luck. We'll hopefully find where we need to go to. But yeah. Guys, this is Times Square. Oh my word. So many people. Look at the lights. Oh, gold detail. This is lovely. The views are quite nice. Yo, it's so high. Oh my word, it's so high.
Yeah.
It's actually very high. It's the second highest floor in the building.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. So this room is a smart room. It's got this. So this is the one side of the bed. You've got the controllers for lights. You can have different settings. Work is brighter, relax is a bit dim. There's a drapes, there's a sheer, you can put it up and down, and you have C. Is that C, baby? This is C, right? So this is C, and normal USB, and then normal 3-pin plug, US 3-pin plug. And let's go to the other side. So the other side, you have the same controls, the same here, and oh, this is attached. There's this circle thing that babe showed me yesterday. Can you guess what it is? It's a charger. It's like a magnetic charger, and it also has USB and the C connector thingy. So this is quite cool. It's a cool smart room, huh? And they have a fancy phone here, not those old phones like the other places. This is a nice touch, and same plugs by the vanity table where there's the coffee machine and the fridge. Let's go to the bathroom. So the bathroom light, you see. This light is on when you walk in, and this is the mirror, by the way, and it's got the time, lights on, same as the bedrooms. You have the control panel there. Now the lights are on, and you have for the mirror as well, where you can control the mirror. But this mirror, okay, you want to control it, lovey? Mm-hmm. Yeah? See, you can dim the light, make it brighter, switch it off completely, make it bright now. Make it bright. And babe showed me this when we first arrived. It's got Bluetooth
on.
Did you guys hear that? I guess you can connect your phone, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's got Bluetooth. It's so cool, guys. But the thing that I said I'm taking away from here, I really love the gold details. I think when we finally have a house, we have in gold details. I love it. It's beautiful. Guys, we made it to our room. Like, the detail in the room is amazing. It is elegance. Like, the colors, everything just looks so nice. And do you guys see our view? Did you guys see? What you see here is what we see here. You guys see that? It is so high. Like looking down is very scary. But yeah, I feel very nauseous. Just want to lie down and just relax a bit, because also it is freezing outside. It is so freezing, babe. Yo. But yeah, we made it. Later we'll go out. We right by the Times Square, right? Yeah, so we're right by the Times Square. We're here for 2 nights, and then we'll move to a different one. Where's the other one?
Let me check. It's not far from here. It's the Hilton.
Yeah, another one, just to see a different
48
perspective.
floors or something.
Yeah, also has like 48 floors, but it's nice. Like it's a very nice cozy room. So now we're just gonna sleep. Both of us are just feeling a bit under the weather. Not under the weather, we're just feeling a bit queasy. So yeah, but it's cold outside, guys, so keep warm. Yo, Texas spoiled us because it was so hot in Texas. Then we come back here and it's cold.
The next is the Hilton New York Times Square, and it is nobody directly, but even a bit.
You connected to Wi-Fi?
No.
Oh, your data's working now.
No, nothing. You see.
Yeah, guys, we went into Starbucks for Wi-Fi because we needed to find our way here, and we went into Starbucks and it was warm inside. That's the reason why I went inside, because we could have stood outside and used the Wi-Fi outside, but I was like, nope, it's cold. So I downloaded the maps for Times Square and around here, so that if we have issues with not having connection when we're outside, then we can still find a way around. So yeah, I also need to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I just really just want to calm down a bit.
So I got it.
Yeah.
Hilton Times Square.
Oh, another interesting thing, guys. If you like this video, please click on the like. It really helps a lot to show it to other people, and as well as do subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment. I asked if you know the movie Coming to America. Just leave a comment below. And so what I wanted to say actually is that here, like yesterday, I told you guys this morning when we were leaving that we were eating at around 1 a.m. because our food came like after midnight. The delivery Uber Eats here runs, I guess it's because the places are open until very late. But I was like, what? At midnight you can order food and have it delivered. Yeah. But New York as well, babe, too busy, too many people on the road. And it's just like you're walking in between these very tall buildings. I don't know why people love living here. For me, it would just be too much. Too many cars on the road if you're driving, too many people when you're walking.
10 minutes to walk.
Yeah, so the other hotel is like 10 minutes walking from here.
Normally
as well.
you have a view onto the Empire State Building from there.
Okay. So yeah, we'll see when we move there in 2 days. For now, you see, guys, I'm even yawning. It's actually jet lag. It's my time to sleep, 2 p.m. So we'll see you guys later, probably when we get out, when we go outside to check around and go maybe get stuff. See you later, guys.